Good morning, group. I just wanted to touch base with you about this Module 5 assignment and give you some hints and some ideas to focus on as you are completing this assignment. First off, be sure to pick a side, nature or nurture. Don't be vague about it. Pick a side, defend that side with your group. Another thing that is required is where's right here, a minimum of 3 scholarly sources. That's going to be pretty important. And I wanted to talk to you about how to tell if a source is scholarly, and that is generally an empirical study or a peer-reviewed journal. And this is a way you can find it. This is an article on our library, How to Recognize Peer-Reviewed or Refereed Journals. And I just Googled this to find it, and this is what came up. And I've used this several times, but you scroll down here and you go to alphabetical listing of databases and click there. You come over here to the U. I'm not exactly sure how to even say this website, but this is where you click. And then you type in the name of your journal, and it will bring up a journal that and tell you whether it's peer reviewed. So here's a Journal of Education and Training Studies. As you can see right here where the referee jersey is, that is where, if there's a jersey there, that means it's refereed. It's reviewed by peers. So as you can see, this one is not a journal that is peer reviewed. I know several people used this one last week, and it technically wasn't a peer reviewed journal. It was in our required readings, but it wasn't peer reviewed. Down here, there's one called Education and Training, and there is a referee jersey there. So that is a peer reviewed journal. So that's just a way to check and see and make sure that you're getting 3 scholarly sources in there. You can use other sources as well, but you have to have 3 scholarly sources in there. Another hint I wanted to give you guys was Zoom. We meet this way with the adjuncts and the instructors because we all live in different places, and we meet via Zoom quite often. And so I thought this would be a resource for you guys to use as you're preparing for your presentation. You can share your screen. You could go over the presentation together and make sure it looks all right. That way, you're getting an actual meeting. You can meet face to face. It records you. You just set up and host a meeting and start it off that way and tell everybody when to show up and when to join, and you can all get on there. So that's just an idea of how you can, another way you can collaborate, and you can even get a recording of it and you could put that in your discussion board. So that way there's proof as well that you guys met this way. So it would just be a good tool for you to use, if not for this project and other aspects of your life and of your career. So thanks, you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing your presentations.